Hi everyone, I'm Catherine from the Youth Services Department of the Gwinnett County Public Library, and welcome to our virtual cookie swap. Each Saturday this month, one of us will be showing you how to make a different cookie. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Red Velvet Crackle Cookies like the ones you see here.
The ingredients we need for this recipe are a red velvet cake mix, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 large eggs, 6 tablespoons melted and cooled butter, and 1 teaspoon lemon zest. Before getting started, we need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next, place the powdered sugar and cornstarch on a plate and stir carefully to mix so you don't make a big mess. Now we'll add all the remaining ingredients, the cake mix, lemon zest, eggs, and melted butter to a mixing bowl and mix on medium speed until well combined. Now using clean hands, we'll form the dough into roughly 1-inch balls and roll in the powdered sugar mixture. The dough is very sticky, so I suggest using some of the sugar to powder your hands first. You'll place the cookie balls 2 inches apart on parchment-lined baking sheets. Now we'll bake 1 sheet at a time in the oven for about 10 minutes or until set. Let cool for about a minute on the cookie sheet and then transfer to a cooling rack to finish cooling.
Okay, so now that these are completely cooled on our cookie sheets, we can go ahead and start boxing them up for sharing. So I think we're gonna keep one box here so we can enjoy them, but I'm gonna pass this other box on to Sarah, and she'll be showing you how to make the next cookie.